I want to show you what my PrintSharpCo center clamp adapter here is for on this Xarilk Gen 3 sharpening system. This is very similar to the TS Prof Cadet and KO3 systems in the clamps and a few other dimensions. So the problem that you have is, here's Ontario Rat 2, when the clamps are as close as they are together, like they are now, EDC pocket style knives clamped in using two clamps is really tough because things don't, you like your tip here, you just can't get it. The thumb stud's in the way, and this one doesn't have a hex to take it off easily, so it's hard to clamp in. What most people probably are doing is using one clamp, taking this clamp off, then you're off center, which is less than ideal. Blade symmetry and everything like that. What my solution does is allows you to mount these two clamps closer together or mount a clamp in the center. Other knives like the Spyderco Delica also have that problem. I could maybe get away with it, but this is really close to that clamp edge. Probably isn't going to work very well. And here I'm not on the flat of the blade, so the angle's going to be off a little bit. Not great. Here we've got a little blade on a Leatherman here that's pretty scratched, but you can see here this is even going to be tough. No point here. I mean, the knife is shorter than the two clamps are together. So let's put the center clamp adapter together and show you what this can do. So this goes together really easily. I've got the clamp, and I've got the included screw here that is included when you buy this from me. PrintSharpCo Etsy page. Then I've got a 5mm hex driver that I'm screwing this together with. That is not included. You will need to supply that yourself. And then see you've got these slots so you can slide this clamps together or further apart. I'm going to do them together. So first one's on. And that hole in the center allows you to mount one clamp to get in the center. If you want for like that really small Leatherman that I showed you, that would work perfectly for that. So snug them down, not too tight. And then from here, it just slides onto the machine. Use the thumb screws that came with your sharpening system. Screw it on, tighten it down, and you are good to go. So here it is all mounted up. Everything is locked up and tight, and you can see there's no movement, there's no flex. You're not pushing real hard on these, so that won't be an issue. And you're good to mount up your knife however you want in here. I'll probably do mine about something like that once I shut off the camera and get it screwed down. You can also grab other knives easily, so that's perfect for something like this. Allows you to get everywhere, allows you to be nice and centered. CRB Pyrite allows you to get in there and get it at the precise angle you want and to hold it well. So here's a side profile of what the whole setup looks like with the center clamp adapter on there from PrintSharpCo, the clamps mounted together in the center, my knife mounted on there, and a stone, and we're ready to sharpen. Let me know if you have any questions on the center clamp adapter. I make them to fit 4 different systems right now. I've got 2 from TS Prof, the KO3 and Cadet and Pioneer, and then the Xarilk and the Toohr model number 3. So let me know if you have any questions. Check the Etsy listings and let me know your questions.